Today, I, Liantluangpuii, am here in front of you to tell you a story. The title of my story is The Eldest Son by K.P. Bahadur. In a village, there once lived a young man with his one-year-old son. Unfortunately, his wife died soon after giving birth to the boy, and as there was no one to look after the baby, the young man remarried. His second wife accepted the child as her own, and days went by happily. Soon, they had 2 more sons, and all 3 children grew up together. The man's wife treated all 3 boys equally, and the 2 younger boys never realized they had a stepbrother. Some years later, the man passed away. Now, the responsibility of the household fell upon the shoulders of the eldest son. The young boy managed his duties so well that their family prospered. This made their neighbors envious. They decided to create a rift in the family, so they told the 2 younger brothers, "Do you know, your elder brother is actually your stepbrother?" The boys were shocked and ran to their mother and complained, "Why do you shower so much love on your stepson? We must get rid of him before he takes away all our father's property." Their mother was a very intelligent and wise woman. She instantly had an idea and said, "Don't you worry, my sons. I will drive your stepbrother out of this house tomorrow. Your father's property will only be yours." That night, she kept awake, waiting for her sons to fall asleep. When the boys had slept, she sprang up from her bed and began to scream, "Snake, snake!" The boys woke up with a start. "Where, mother?" asked the eldest son. "It was in your mouth, son. Then it disappeared into your stomach," replied his mother. The boy was devastated to hear this. From that day, he lost his appetite and sleep. He would lie idle in bed the entire day. Soon, he was so weak that he could not even walk. Taking advantage of the situation, the jealous neighbors built a wall across the 3 brothers' courtyard and captured the land. They even seized their farms and implements. Now, the younger sons were worried. "Mother," said one of them, "if our elder brother was not bedridden, such terrible things would not have happened." Their mother nodded, smiling to herself that her younger sons now realized the importance of her eldest son. That night, she started shouting again, "Snake, snake!" "Where, mother?" murmured the eldest son. "It came out of your stomach, then it slithered out of the house." "Really?" cried the eldest son of joy. From that day, his condition started improving. Soon, he was up on his feet and back to work. "Who dared capture my land?" he thundered. The neighbors were frightened. They instantly pulled down the wall without a word. Then they vacated the farm and returned the implements. Thus, the eldest son brought back smiles on the family's faces, and having learned a valuable lesson, the 3 brothers lived in peace and harmony for a very long time. Thank you.